Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and we're exploring Old Town today. I'm in the car park behind the mosque, and I think I'll go and have a quick look at the mosque first, because that'll give me an excuse to say hello to the cats of the Paphos Cat Lady as well. One of her feeding stations is just around here. That looks like there's a guard, but that's it. A few hornets, so I'll stay clear there. Looks like feeding time is going to be not too far away. Let's have a quick look in here. You can't go into it, the mosque, but it's looked after. There's some of the tombs and graves. But we're destined for other things today. This is a relatively new little road that allows you access to that car park, which is where I tend to prefer parking when I visit Old Town, because for some reason not many people use it. And they built this road here so that the one further up could be made one way. And what I'm going to do is walk down to the front of the market and have a look around the market, and then continue, well, wherever I go basically. I haven't got a predetermined route. There's a sign here probably telling you about the renovations. That's a work in progress. It used to be a shop, I remember. It doesn't give you much information, I know, but this is one of the cinematography murals that are dotted around Old Town. They tell a story, and I wrote an article about the whole thing and filmed it so you can follow the story. I think in this one, the Queen has just killed the girl. I will go around the front of the mosque briefly actually. Just to see what's happening with these buildings. It looks like the renovation team has reached this far now. There's the front of the mosque. But not this far. That's what a lot of the buildings in Old Town used to look like. It's an old Turkish Cypriot. I think it was a travel shop before the invasion in the 70s. And then all the Turkish Cypriots, of which there must have been quite a few because there was a mosque back there, they were moved to the north, and Greek Cypriots in the north were moved south. So we'll go down here, but then we'll go straight back to the newer stuff. Mrs. Love. I don't know what that could be. I think they're more old Turkish Cypriot owned buildings, though I don't know for sure. Right, we're now at the front of the Old Town Market, and there's a new cafe just across the road there which we'll have a look at. It seems very popular. You have to excuse the lighting, I'm going to move into the shade here so I can see that the sun was in just the wrong place. Yeah, what I'll do actually, let these cars go past. And I'll walk round back up here, so I can give these shops a little plug as well. So back at that cinematography piece. Now we'll go into the Old Town Market from this entrance. I should say it's Saturday morning, just after 9 o'clock, so it's still fairly early. And if you haven't been here a few years, you may be wondering where the roof is. Well, they removed it when they were doing up the floor, and I did hear a rumour that a roof was coming back, and there are panels there still forward, so we just had to see what happens. Now, I would, if it was November or February, do this walk in like 1 o'clock in the afternoon when it would be nice and busy. But it's too hot at the moment, so you'll have to make do with this, I'm afraid. And there's a moggy up here. Meow. 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 Haven't got any food. Yeah, I'll do them, won't it? Right. I'm walking down to the green living wall now, which presumably is still green and living. Before we get there, we've got the children's playground, which is new on our left, and another route into the, I can't call it covered market anymore, so outdoor market I guess. So we'll go down here. I didn't know Eliane had a place here. There's a place to come if you want to buy a cock. There you go. Won't zoom in too much, otherwise the filters on Facebook will kick in. I like to pretend I was joking, but I'm not. Now, competition. Who can be the first one to see the... I went to Paphos and my parents went to Paphos and all they got me was this lousy t-shirt. Some gourds there. With some silks. Yes, this. I guess these awnings provide most of the shade you'd have got from the covered thing. But as you can see, the market is still here. And there's another bit in here which I'll go through. I seem to remember it's mainly clothes in this little bit, but this is all covered still. Che Guevara t-shirt back there. That's topical. Eve's selling in one bag, possibly. We're back the main part of the market again. Ooh, ice creams. Very tempting. Not while I'm filming there. It's definitely a place to come if you want a souvenir. Or a sponge. I've never understood these bags of herbs though. I mean, why they're seen as tourist gifts. Where's it? Beats cocks. Bum bags and belts. And now we're at the green living wall I mentioned previously, and this is doing nicely. I'll go down here now. I'm sure the green living wall will feature again in our next film, so I'm going to be doing a zigzagged loop through Old Town. Let's see how it goes back into the market there. And there are quite a few taverns along here, but I'm going to walk and end the first film on the other side of the road by the bus station. I'll go down here first though. Morning. This here's the official entrance to the market. And there's that new cafe I was talking about. We'll get that in as well. I do like the mural they've got on the other side of the road there on top of that tavern with all those flowers. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's very pretty. Cross over without getting one over. And there's another little new cafe just down there. And that green thing is a bin that's right next to another of the Cat Lady's feeding stations. And I think she might even be there as we speak. Certainly someone down there. Is that Gaynor? It looks like her. Hello. She does an incredible job. I'll put a link somewhere so you can support her work. You should want to, and you should want to. She doesn't just feed the cats, she does TNR as well, trap neuter release. Well, she doesn't do it, the vet does, but you know what I mean. Anyway, we're going to end the first part of this film here, looking out in the lovely blue sky, nice and clear, no dust, towards Paphos. I was thinking if I could see the lighthouse, but I think that tree's blocking the way. Lighthouse Beach is that way, and there's the Elysium. And I'll see you in the next film. Cheers, bye.